Diamond DA-62 Flight Review. Welcome back, aviation enthusiasts. Today, we're reviewing one of the most elegant, technologically advanced, and performance-driven light twin-engine aircraft in the world, the Diamond DA-62. Whether you're a private pilot, a commercial operator, or just a lover of aircraft design, this bird will leave you absolutely impressed. So buckle up as we take an in-depth look at the DA-62, from cockpit to climb rate, handling to high-tech features, and see why this aircraft is quickly becoming a favorite in its class. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more flight reviews just like this one. First impressions and exterior design. Right off the bat, the DA-62 commands attention. Built by Diamond Aircraft Industries, this sleek, futuristic aircraft blends style and aerodynamics in a way few others in the light twin market do. The aircraft features a carbon composite airframe, which reduces weight and improves fuel efficiency. Its streamlined fuselage and large gull-wing doors give it a luxury SUV-in-the-sky appeal. And the T-tail design? It not only looks cool, it also enhances stability and control at slower speeds. With its panoramic wraparound canopy, the DA-62 doesn't just turn heads, it invites you in. Power plant and performance. Let's talk power. The DA-62 is equipped with two Austro A330 turbodiesel engines, each producing 180 horsepower. What makes them unique? They're Jet A1 burning, liquid-cooled, turbocharged, and FADEC-controlled. In simple terms, they're powerful, efficient, and smart. Expect a cruise speed of 192 knots and a range of nearly 1,300 nautical miles with full tanks. That's New York to Miami, non-stop. And with a fuel burn of just 9 gallons per hour per engine, this aircraft delivers economy without compromising on performance. Cockpit tour and avionics. The DA-62 is outfitted with the Garmin G1000 NG Suite, one of the most advanced integrated flight decks in general aviation. You get dual 10.4-inch displays, synthetic vision, ADS-B in/out, terrain alerting, and even automatic flight control systems with envelope protection. Pilot workload is reduced dramatically thanks to simplified engine management, a side-stick control setup, and intuitive avionics. You'll feel more like a jet pilot than a GA driver. And yes, the ergonomics? Outstanding. Leather seats, intuitive layout, and fantastic visibility all around. Takeoff, flight handling. Takeoff in the DA-62 is smooth and confidence-inspiring. With just 3,000 feet of runway, you're airborne in under 20 seconds. Once in the air, the first thing you notice is how refined and balanced the aircraft feels. The controls are crisp yet forgiving. The hydraulically boosted rudder adds to stability, and turns are incredibly coordinated with minimal rudder input required. In cruise, the DA-62 is quiet, surprisingly so. That composite body dampens vibration and noise, making long flights a pleasure. And did we mention cabin pressurization? Not quite, because it's not pressurized, but the climate control and airflow do an excellent job keeping everyone comfortable up to 20,000 feet. Cost and ownership. The base price of a DA-62 is around $1.5 million USD. That's a serious investment. But when you consider its features, efficiency, and twin-engine capability, it delivers exceptional value. Operating costs run about $300 to $350 per hour, including fuel, maintenance, and reserves. Insurance is moderate compared to turboprops, and hangar space is reasonable due to its size. For owners who plan to fly regularly, whether for business, pleasure, or revenue, the DA-62 pays for itself in performance and peace of mind. Safety features. When it comes to safety, the DA-62 doesn't compromise. Its composite structure is not only lighter but also absorbs energy better during impact. The aircraft includes electronic stability and protection (ESP), coupled with Garmin's GFC 700 autopilot, which includes stall and overspeed protection. It's also single-engine performance certified, meaning that in the rare event of an engine failure, you've still got plenty of power and control to make a safe landing. And remember, This is one of the few twins that new pilots can train on and actually afford to own. Interior comfort. The DA-62 isn't just a pilot's machine, it's also built for passengers. And it shows. Rear seats are surprisingly roomy, and the wide-body cabin offers plenty of elbow and legroom. There's also generous luggage space in both the nose and behind the third row. Ambient lighting, leather upholstery, cup holders, USB ports. The DA-62 makes private air travel feel like business class. For private owners, it offers the performance of a turboprop at the operating cost of a piston twin. For charter operators, it's a great platform for luxury air taxi services, particularly in Europe where Jet A1 is more accessible. For flight schools and commercial training centers, it's ideal for advanced multi-engine training. And for families or business travelers, it offers freedom, flexibility, and comfort with the safety of two engines and the efficiency of diesel power. It's essentially a flying SUV with the soul of a sports car. The Diamond DA-62 is a masterpiece in modern aviation. It's elegant, efficient, and impressively capable. From family trips to commercial ops, training missions to business flights, it offers versatility few aircraft in this category can match. It's not just a twin piston. It's the future of personal aviation, clean, clever, and incredibly cool. Thanks for flying with us today. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite feature, and subscribe for more cockpit insights and aviation content.